Okay. One inch and 5/8, and some drill bits. Okay. Move this back. Everything's a mess right now.
Sid, what you gonna have to do?
Let me put on some light.
What you gonna have to do is hold this without moving.
Okay.
So what you want to do is
Just hold it like that.
push it in right there. Like, can you push it in right here?
Here.
Kind of. Okay, don't move the muscles. You got it?
Got it.
Move your hand. I'll hold it up here.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't think it.
Okay, let me start right here.
Okay.
Okay, push in.
Push in. How?
Push in like that. You got it?
Yeah.
Push in a little more. Okay.
Okay.
All ready?
Is that it?
No, okay, you better shoot a few more in there.
Okay.
I'm sorry about them screws and twisting that, but that's just the best I can do.
Yeah, I knew it would be. You need that pushed or you good?
It's good. I think I'll put one extra right here just for good measure, Sid.
You had to leave Izzy in the car.
I know it looks kind of rugged.
Sure does, but at least it's not gonna get worse.
It shouldn't.
I'm surprised. Look how close that was to coming off.
I know.
Because Izzy kept bending it.
I mean, I'm gonna shoot one more screw in there.
Right.
Shouldn't scratch you or anything.
I think I can go in a little more.
This one for sure.
Okay.
This one.
I don't want to scratch Izzy.
And
Izzy, quit opening that door.
sit that ought to hold for a while.
Okay.
Feel how sturdy it feels.
See, why didn't they make it like that in the first place? Gosh, these people drive me nuts. You think you could shoot a screw right here?
Where's it?
Right here on that. I don't know if maybe from the inside and the screw could just hold it.
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to open it?
I got it.
Might be something in the way. Got shoes down there. It's might be shoes. In that. I don't know what that is. Let me pick
You'll
the.
have to get it out of there.
I don't know what it is. Oh, it might be. Oh.
Okay, I can get it now. Let me look at it one more time.
Okay.
Wait a minute now. Let me look at that again. I may have to shoot a screw from this side into it, see? Because it's going to come through, you know what I'm saying?
I was thinking you could shoot a screw like into this,
Yeah, and it's
and then it could do the head thing, and the half of it could just hold it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know how to.
You mean this? You mean? Like that.
Yeah. There you go. But see, it's still loose
But not as
in
bad.
the middle, but definitely not as bad.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. Thanks, Dad.
I think it'll be okay.